I welcome everyone to Lifestyle View. My name is Mr. Victor Johnny. I'm happy to host you and to introduce you to things that will make you financially comfortable. I know so many of us, we are much familiar with um, affiliate marketing and other bloggings and other internet earnings. Some people going into crypto trading and the rest of other and forex trading as well. But there is a particular one that is not common. People have not talked about it. But I'm coming up here to put a light on it so that you can also be a beneficiary to this package. I'm talking about being a partner to one or two, three fintech companies. If you become one of their partners, you earn throughout your lifetime. Now it's simple. You need to affiliate yourself to identify yourself with any of the fintech. We have series of fintech company that is available in Nigeria. We have OPay, otherwise called Paycom, Nigeria Limited. We also have Money Point Limited, a microfinance bank. We have Payforce. We have Fair Money. We have Fruitawave. We have Palmpay Limited. We have numerous of them. Now, this numerous of them give you an edge, an opportunity for you to partner with them. How do you partner with them? Well, it is opportunity for one to partner. Once you have opportunity to partner with them, they will assign you and they onboard you to be their partner on their database. And then I think on this video I will unveil most of the things that will help you or how to be a partner with any of this fintech company. If you are interested, you can click I am interested. Now let me put up to every one of us viewing this video right now that you earn, as far as the company exists, every transaction that is being carried out, you as a partner, the company are paying you. As far as that terminal you issue out is being in use, they will keep on paying you, because if the issue comes up from any of the terminal, you are the one that will go and resolve them. Though they know that they are working, for example, we look at OPE, you are working as a partner with OPE and your agent is working with is using OPE POS to work. Now, when the agent have issue, they will not call customer care directly sometimes. Basically, things that involve that need speedy action, they will call that partner with the OPE for quick response, because they truly believe and trust on the partner who issue out the terminal to them. Now they will communicate. Now it is the place of the partner to then communicate if it's something he cannot resolve from his end, to communicate to the office or the Lagos office to resolve the matter. So these are the sequence of, now for you rendering these services and making your agent keeping up being in business, you are being paid. So in the subsequent video, I'm going to show you the platform for you to check to be affiliate. If you are kind of interested, please, you write at the comment section, I'm interested, I'm interested, I'm interested. Now, and also subscribe to the links so that you can follow up other subsequent video that is going to upload it on this platform. Now, I'm ready to make sure give an eye opener for everyone who are interested to be part of the deal or the part of being a partner in any of this fintech company. Thank you. This is where I want to call it a day for now, as you click on the subscribe button, as well as liking it. In the next video, you will be able to see the subsequent video, as well as making comments at the comment section. I'm interested. Thank you and remain blessed. I remain Mr. Victor Johnny, your business partner.